Right.
Try to get as many speeches as you can.
Right.
And I will ask you just to be courteous and not speak during each other's speeches, just as you would like people not to speak during yours.
Okay. Right.
Just saying.
Right. Okay, so there are a lot of skills out there that people use, like they use athletic skills, artistic skills. You know, there's a lot of skills out there, but I think that some of the most important skills that people can learn is survival skills. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a safe and easy campfire today. So first I'm going to go over the materials that you're going to need. Second, I'm going to show you how to make it. And third, I'm going to go over some California state laws on the fire. So first step is what you're going to need is you're going to need a clearing. So clearing is going to be represented by a plate. So go ahead and take your plate. Next thing you're going to need is you're going to need a source of water. This is in case your fire gets out of control and you need to put it out quickly. All right? So after that, you're going to make a ring inside your clearing. So the ring is going to help contain your fire. The clearing is actually more important than people think. The clearing is going to be free of any debris that can catch fire. This is how a lot of forest fires start, is because people actually don't make a clearing. So then you're going to take your M&Ms and make a clearing. Okay. And refrain from eating your supplies, please. All right. So. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your tinder. Your tinder is going to be the most flammable part of your fire. It's going to help keep your fire catching quickly. So you're going to shred up your Triscuit in the middle of your ring. Okay. You might not need to use all your tinder. It's a little bit of a big cracker. Right? We all good? Right. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your kindling. Your kindling is going to be your small twigs and small pieces of wood that's going to catch fire after your tinder. So you're going to lay that checkerboard style over your tinder within your ring. Very important to do this within your ring. All right. Everybody good? So next what we're going to do is you're going to lay your logs evenly over your tinder. Your logs are going to be your fuel for your fire. Okay? This is going to be what keeps the fire burning for a long period of time. Logs are your cheese doodles, by the way. I couldn't find Cheetos. So I got cheese doodles from Best Buy. Okay. Once you have your fire all set up, then you're going to use your match, which is going to be your toothpick, and you're going to light your tinder. Some people like to jump the gun and light the logs on fire. That actually doesn't keep your fire burning. If you light the tinder, then your tinder will catch fire to your kindling will catch fire to your logs, and then your fire will burn for a long period of time. Now the spoon represents your shovel. Your shovel is a very important part of a fire. This will help you stir your fire should your fire just start to die, or even it'll help you put out your fire should your fire get out of control, or should you just want to put out your fire for that evening. So what you will need for your fire basically is you will need kindling, tinder, a source of water, a clearing, fuel, and a ring for your fire. So, some California state laws for your fire require you to have a fire permit for your fire. You can obtain a fire permit through any fire protection office or a forest service. If you're camping on the beach, for example, and you want to make a fire, for a clearing, you obviously can't really clear away all the sand, so what you would do is you would dig a hole and make your fire in your hole. And then some scouting websites refer you to doing a teepee style fire. I just chose the checkerboard because it was the easiest to do. There's also other versions. There's called like a log cabin, where you build like a log cabin for your tinder and your kindling. And then there's also like the open house one. It's like a reverse checkerboard. So today I taught you how to make a fire. I told you the materials that you would need. I showed you how to make it, and then I went over some California state laws. So now you guys have a survival skill for when you're out camping or if you're ever lost in the woods. Thank you.